Hello guys, welcome to new video. Right now I am here working in our corn crop. So now as you can see, my dad and my sister and we are working here with the help of our hose, or we can call it spades, right? The tool that's through we cover the fertilizer that I have given yesterday, and the tool is called hoe, or you also call it spade, right? And by the way, I also have this spade, right? This tool called a spade or a hoe, but mostly I use hoe, right? And I use this to cover our fertilizer, but I'm not sure will I be able to show you or not, because I have given here as you can see, and I try to show you as you can see closely. Urea, DAP, potash, it has, we have combined, and then we have give in each plants between, right? So now as you can see, and just after finishing giving fertilizer in our corn crop, then next day, means today, we have come to cover this fertilizer. So now as you can see, and by the way, we are about to finish this work. Okay, so just let me finish, and let's see what all kind of things I come across with, and I will try my best to teach you whatever I will come across with along this blog, right? So that is why you should watch this video until the very end. Okay guys, so finally we are just finished to work here, and by the way there are two just rows to finish, and my dad will finish them. And here just in front of me there is a crop of pineapple, right? As you can see, actually since I don't eat a pineapple, so that is why today I am feel like to eat a pineapple. So that is because I have come here to the crop to break a pineapple, and first I have to choose the right one. And as you can see, all the fruits got ripe. First, before we start plugging or breaking, I am looking for a people, because I am afraid of people. Wow, first I have to take care of it. It shouldn't be any broken or eaten, right? So finally guys, as you can see, I just broke a pineapple because I feel like to eat, since we didn't had pineapple for a long time. So that is why. So right now I just kept this spade here, and I'm gonna show you what I brought. This wood just like a snack. Oh, as you can see, this is a pineapple, and a bit later at 1 o'clock we will have it, because it will be tasty and it has a sweet flavor. I just got back home, and right now I don't know what I'm gonna do. And see my house what look like. Actually, since we have lots of pets at our home, so that is why it's completely messed up, right? We have goats and we have calf, and here my mom is drying. Okay guys, so right now we just had some meal because we were hungry, and that is why we just had meal. And just after eating or having some meal, and right now we have planned to go to our corn crop again, but in the another corn crop to give fertilizer. Which one? Which one? Iragi? उधर है? Okay, actually there is a sack, and it has, as you can see, oh this is not, actually there is another one, and that is to my new home, right? Okay guys, and the crop where we are going to work, and it is around 1.5 kilometer away from here, so let us go. And also I can't forget to wear my slippers, because there might be some of the scarps, and I'm afraid to, and I don't want them to get into my feet, right? Abba, sarang laa ja chal. Chal, nice. And my little cutie eating this leaf. So now as you can see, how are you? And now my dad is bringing the sack of fertilizer, and we are gonna load it here. Then just after tying, I will take the sack of fertilizer to our crop, and that is around 1.5 kilometer away from here, right? Okay guys, so one of my slipper, it got broken, so that is why I would like to, so I just kept or take off my slippers because they have broken. Hey, there is a dog just in front of me. While riding this bicycle, it is not possible to record, so that is why in this rough road I would like to record for a while. And this is called a puppy. Hey, are you afraid of me? Okay guys, so right now we just come to the place where I have to keep this bicycle. So now as you can see, I just parked this cycle here, and my sister, she has gone, and this is the sack of urea, potash, DAP it has inside the sack, and I'm gonna pick up into my head or into my shoulder. And my dad is also coming, and he's going to cut some grass for our pets. Oh my gosh, it is too much heavy guys, because the material that it has inside, it wet a little bit, so that is why I am feeling a bit wet. And here through my boarding, my uncle is watering to his corn crop, right? So now as you can see, the machine is sounding here, and the pipe he has straight to his crop. And finally also I have come to our crop where we are gonna work here, right? And she is having rest a little bit because she has come earlier. I just kept it here, and now I'm gonna open it. I am untying this rope of this sack, and I am unfolding this sack. It has chemical fertilizer, and it has urea, DAP, potash, right? We have combined just after mixing. It is ready to give our crop in each plants one by one. Oh. And it's actually quite sunny, so that is why it will be very hard to work outside in the sun. But sometimes when we will feel a bit uncomfortable, we will just come to the shade of this tree, because as you can see, this is a bus of bamboo, right? And this bamboo bus provide us shades, right? Hey, just start. Okay, here there are two buckets. That's true, we will give in each plant. And here there are two buckets we have brought, and that's true, we will give, right, this fertilizer. Just stand up and start working. Okay guys, the process of giving this fertilizer. So now as you can see, the process of giving, right? And the same process I also have to do, and I also have to give like her. Hello guys, just after finishing, so now as you can see what my hand looks like. As you can see, it's totally turned into black. And here this machine has no any sources to wash my hand. Hold this sack and then take this to home. So I am just wearing my sister's slippers, right? Is because right now, just after finishing to give fertilizer here into my crop, and now it's time to go to my pets to give water in the river. So just keep on watching, and I will show you everything whatever I will do today. And here just in front of me there is a pipe, and that goes to this crop where my uncle is watering. Now I just come to the place where the water is coming. Okay guys, so there is one more thing I wanna show you, and actually in this vlog I'm going to show you a new scenario, and that is guys, here as you can see there is a fair, F-A-I-R, fair, and where we are going to go, right, in the evening time. So please watch this video until it very end, and we might go to this fair, right? But I'm not sure, but I will try my best to get there, right? Okay, so right now actually I have finally come to the place where my pets are grazing, And by the way, I myself don't know where my dad has tied my pets. So that is the first I have to look for my pets. And then just after giving water to all of my pets to the river, then we will talk next. There is a man and who is crossing this river by walking, and on his shoulder, the man's shoulder, and he has a bicycle, right? So now as you can see, okay, I try to zoom in out. Yeah, and he just crossed. Two more people and they are coming just by this river, and there is another one that I showed you, right? And he has crossed and they are crossing. And in the evening time, if I will go to this fair, then I will also have to cross this river by walking like them, right? Okay, so finally I have got all of my pets here. Some of the pets are sitting and some of are grazing here. So now it's time to take all of my pets to this river to show water. See, my pets are drinking water here in the river. I am walking at the edge of this river, and the fair is a bit distant from here, but at the evening time we will go along with my friends. Hey, why are you in a hurry? Okay guys, so let me tie all of my pets, then we'll talk. Okay guys, so to eat this pineapple, first I have to peel the shell of this pineapple with the help of this sickle. Okay guys, I just chop this pineapple and I make it slice, and I'm going to pick up one slice. Guys, have you ever eaten pineapple? Please let me in the comment, and it's yummy. Okay guys, so I just dressed up, so now as you can see, but it has lots of wrinkles on it. Can you guys see? Okay, so right now we are ready to go to the fair, and the fair that I showed you earlier, right? Okay, so first let me meet to my friends and then I will show you. Okay guys, so finally we just crossed this river. So now as you can see, along with my friends, wow, and going to the fair, and that is a bit ahead, just in front of us. Okay, so right now let's head to the fair, then I will show you the scenario of this fair. And now you might have a question in your mind, Nakul, how did you cross this river? Guys, I would say I crossed this river by unwearing our pants. Yes, to be honest. Okay, so finally let us reach to the place where we are going right now. Okay guys, so finally we have just reached to the place and in the fair. And chalo na re, guys, I am feeling shy a little bit. Let's pray to the goddess Kali Mata. This is called a little pie. It gets little bit cool, so that's why it doesn't taste right. Goram lale. Hello, Chachi, abala dijiye. Just ordered again that is hot because I don't like that is cool. Okay guys, please, it's yummy, and if you like it, please give it a like, share and subscribe, because I am feeling like